All right, we're here today with Don, and Don is about to start his treatment with Dr. Davis. Now, Don, you're experiencing pain in both knees, correct?
Right.
And how long has it been like that?
Oh, I've had these knee problems off and on for 5 years or so.
Wow. Have you seen any other doctors?
Nope.
This is your first chance to get it corrected?
It's getting bad enough now, I need to do something.
Right, before it gets any worse.
Right.
Okay. And I know we had talked earlier that left knee is causing you more pain than the right. Okay, and you were at a 5 or 6 today on that left knee?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so what is this holding you back from doing? What is it that you want to start doing that you can't because you're in pain?
Well, it affects your whole life, for my life, because I'm an active person, so you really can't do a lot of walking very far, lifting, getting down and getting up, and just your whole function of the way you do
Right.
it. Yeah.
And you want to keep active?
Yeah.
Right. Okay. All right. Don, I'm going to have you do a couple things. If you could just stand up for me. Now, did you feel any discomfort when you did that?
I have a little bit in this leg when I get up.
And where did you feel it in the leg?
It's in the back part of my leg, in the hamstring.
In that hamstring?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I'm going to have you put your feet shoulder length apart, arms straight out in front of you, keeping your heels on the ground. I'm going to have you squat down. And slowly come back up. All right. Where did that hurt?
It's all in the back of my
Same
leg.
spot, huh? Okay. All right. Next, I'm going to have you go up and down the stairs for me.
Okay.
And we're going to go back up the stairs. Okay. So, which was worse, going up or down the stairs?
Probably going down.
Going down the stairs? And was it when you were bending your leg or when you were putting your weight on it?
Put the weight on it.
Okay. And out of all of those exercises we just did, which one caused you the most discomfort?
Just anytime I stretch this leg, the hamstring.
So would you say it was a squat?
Probably the squat.
The squat caused you the most
When you
pain
get
of
down
all
to
of
the
it.
lower part of it, yeah.
Because then you have to have enough strength to bring yourself
Right,
back up.
Right.
All right, you ready to get started?
Yes.
Let's do it. All right, deep breath in and press, John. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Pull up.
Deep breath in and press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Pull up. Good. Do a couple more.
Okay. Yep. Deep breath in and press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Pull up. Yep. And just one more.
Deep breath in and press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Pull up. And just hold it there. You okay?
Yep.
Okay.
All right, you can let go, Don.
Good. And we only have to have tension in this muscle. You don't have to move your leg much. Okay? Deep breath and pull your knee up. Good. That's good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the floor. Yeah, there you go.
Keep it bent, don't straighten your legs.
Yeah, you just bring the knee up. Keep the bent. Yeah, just leave it nice and loose. Right. Okay. Deep breath and knee up. Knee up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the floor. Good. Okay. You don't have any major scars here, surgery, anything like that? Okay. Take a deep breath and pull up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Reach down. Good. Okay. Deep breath and pull up. Go. 1, 2, Hold it there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Reach down. Good. Deep breath and pull up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Reach down to the floor. Okay. Deep breath. Pull up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the floor. You get there? Almost.
One more.
Okay, deep breath.
Here. Fix your hair, Dawn.
I'm good.
I'm gonna have you walk down the hallway.
Right there.
There you go.
I didn't bring his brush.
How's it feel, Dawn?
Better?
Does it feel different?
Yeah, it feels better.
What feels different?
Well, I don't have as much pain in this back of my leg, and I'm looser.
You're
Definitely
loose as a
looser.
goose now.
When you go outside for the squat, just be careful when you squat. We've had some people hit the floor. So when you squat down, if you go lower, you're going to go past that point. So just pay attention to that.
Okay.
Okay?
All right, Dawn, it's your turn to shine. Okay, I'm gonna have you stand up for me. How was that?
Good?
All right. Feet shoulder length apart. Arms out in front. How low can you go?
I don't know.
Whoa. That's low. How was it coming back up?
It was better. It's still some soreness there, but it's better.
Okay,
It's looser.
good. Let's try those stairs. Now I really want you to concentrate on the stairs, 1 foot per step. Because you couldn't do that before. Wow,
It's better.
that seemed a lot smoother. You
Yeah,
didn't
and
seem to
going
be.
down is harder than it coming up.
Okay, let's go down one more time just
Okay.
to check it out.
Actually,
See, you're gonna have to practice that because you haven't done that in a while.
yeah, it's a little different, but going up's a lot better.
Going up's a lot better.
Right.
Okay, so that right leg was a 1. So you still having pain in that right knee?
The right knee is about where it was.
Okay.
The left knee, I can tell it's better back there on the hamstring and all.
Okay, because it
Feels
was a
better.
6. What do you think it is now?
It's probably forward.
Okay, all right. Because those hamstrings were really, really tight.
Yeah.
All right, so welcome aboard.
Alrighty.
All right, that's awesome.